Hi guys, it's Speaking of the Frog, and I'm going to be showing you how to get the beachworm egg. So first, talk to this egg. Yes, this certain egg. I mean, like, there's not even any more. Tap the read egg hunt info. Yeah, blah blah blah. Mine says something different, but because I already got the egg, just follow my steps. Now that you've talked to him, no need to listen to him. Just, I'm about to tell you. Go to the black bear. It's going to take me years to go to the black bear. Yes, yo, yeah, blip, 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 bada, body. How long is this going to take? 5 years. More than 5 years, actually. Since I've already gotten it, I'm just gonna show you what to do. Okay. Then, oh my god, it's taking so long. That's because I'm on a tablet device. It's okay. Yeah, you have to talk to Blackbird. Yeah. No, this is a different quest. What the quest he gives you is that you have to collect pollen. After you've done that quest, go to the mother bear. Okay. See, you have to collect some pollen, and then he'll give you a marshmallow bee. And then you have to go to the mother bear. This guy's a pro. MCMXCCCCCCC. Okay. Okay, now that we're at the mother bear, we have to talk to the mother bear. Let's go ahead and do that. Do that. Talk. Blah, 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 blah. No need to listen, I remember. Wait, what? I got another. Oh, wait, never mind. No. I don't need that. Alright, I'm going to buy something really quick. 1,000, please. You don't need to do what I'm doing. It's 10,000. What about this one? Oh my god. Get me out of this thing. Okay. So you have to collect 3 seeds. 3 seeds which are in this field, sunflower seeds. The field that I'm on. Then you have to go to the blue area. And then you'll find 3 blueberries there. And then you have to go to the strawberry field, and you'll get 3 strawberries from there. Now you have to go to the brown bear. I'm gonna pause the video because brown bear takes long to get. Guys. So yeah, guys, we're back. Well, I got damn much things from this guy. Great. And there was only a ladybug. So the brown bear's there. It's gonna take me years to get to this guy. This is the last bear you want to talk to. Talk to the black bear, I mean, honestly. Blah, 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 blah. Done that. Now you have to find plastic eggs. I'm going to keep on showing you where all of they are. I'm going to reset my character so then I can show you the first one. First one is here if you reset. Okay. Okay, first we have to go to this place. to where the cannon is. Don't worry, we're not gonna go into the red cannon because most people don't know how to get into. Most people don't have 25. Just come here. See this opening? You will want to come in here. Oh guys, look at my avatar. My YouTube head. Yeah, I got the YouTube egg. So go in here. Complete this maze and you'll get a plastic egg. The next plastic egg is... I have to reset for this one as well. It's gonna take years again. Okay, so now I'm pretty sure you should get the plastic egg, the second plastic egg when you go to the egg. Oh, and yeah, we're not gonna talk to this guy. We're not gonna talk to you. She's not gonna give me the egg randomly. Okay, for this one, you have to... Pretty sure everyone's already seen this. Down this hole. Yeah, this Easter egg is pretty easy. So now we have to come here. I'm just joking. Don't worry. You have to go on here. Oh no. Jump on here. And jump on here. You see this plastic egg? You see it? Grab it. And then reset. Reset. Because there's no way you can get out by jumping over that. Some people can. Lucky people. Okay, let's go to the zoo. This is gonna take years and years and years and years. We've almost done it. Okay, we're still going. No, we're not going to the 5 area. We're going somewhere different. Oh, and no, we're not going to the Beetle King. My worst enemy. So here's the honeybee, yeah. Don't talk to this. You can, but really don't. If you want to waste your time, then do it. Plastic eggs here, grab it. Grabbed it. Now you have to go back to the brown bear. The brown bear will give you the last marshmallow bee. Then you'll have to go back to the egg. Seriously. You're probably saying that like 100 times. There. Blip, bloop, blip. We're going to the egg. Oh, a spout has appeared. We have to destroy that. And then we'll get the egg. I'm just joking. You don't have to defeat a red sprout. Okay, yes, we've almost gotten it. We already have. We go up to the egg. Talk to it. And then blah, 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 blah. And now you would see a badge that you get, and it would say you've gotten the bee swarm egg. So now pick it up over now. Goodbye. Goodbye.